Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the device manager blocked by administrator error in Windows. And now, let's get started. If you are seeing an error message stating that device manager is blocked by an administrator, this video will guide you through the solution. The first step involves enabling the administrator account on your system. We will be using a command for this, and you can find the exact command in the description section of this video. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator command prompt window, paste the provided command. After pasting, press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the command completed successfully. This action typically resolves the issue of device manager being blocked by administrator privileges. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.